Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Falling in Art Wooden Tabletop Easel, a versatile and durable easel crafted from premium beech wood, perfect for both beginners and professional artists. This sturdy easel features non-slip feet to protect surfaces and solid hardware that resists rust, ensuring long-lasting use. With an adjustable bracket, it accommodates canvas boards up to 24 inches, allowing you to find the most comfortable drawing angle by simply adjusting the nuts on both sides. Inside, you'll find 5 storage compartments that are perfect for organizing your art supplies like colored pencils, pens, markers, and paintbrushes, with internal foam padding for added protection. Not just a painting easel, this versatile tool also serves as a delicate display easel, and its thick leather handle makes it easy to move around, so you can start creating art anytime, anywhere. Falling in Art is dedicated to providing high-quality art supplies, and this tabletop easel is a testament to their commitment to helping you unleash your creativity. If you encounter any issues with our products, please feel free to reach out to us for assistance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.